And as I walk in here, you can see the living area, kitchen area, which is also quite spacious. Oh, this master bedroom is actually quite spacious.
Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya Nair and today I'm delighted to introduce you to a very interesting project. While we all love to live in the city and enjoy the facilities and the convenience that it has to offer, but at the same time, who doesn't crave for nature, the peace and the solidarity that we receive in nature? And today, we are here to bridge the gap between the concrete jungle and nature, introducing to you Brigade Sanctuary.
Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers with developers. And what's the interesting fact about this? You get your project at bottom rate price. And Housey also saves you from the hassle of getting numerous calls from agents who call you once you list a property. But this will definitely save you the time and effort and give you peace, just like the property that I'm going to introduce you to. The Brigade Sanctuary is located across 14 acres of land, and this property boasts of 8 lovely towers, and each tower has the ground floor plus 27 floors. The Brigade Sanctuary boasts of 35 plus amenities, and you know what's one interesting part about this property? Come close, I'll show you. This property has retained about 500 plus natural trees, thus not affecting the ecosystem of the place. And one more interesting fact is that as you can see here, there is a natural rainwater harvest pond here located right here in the center, which is a very lovely place for you to sit and relax. And this place is also close to the clubhouse with a swimming pool that you can see here, and it has a lot more other amenities. Come closer, I will show you. As you can see here, we have the tennis court, we have the basketball court, we have a football ground, which is not very common in most of the properties that you can see in Bangalore. And it has a lot of parking space around the different towers. Isn't this a mind-blowing project already? The Brigade Sanctuary is definitely a sanctuary of peace and quiet. Let's understand where this property is located. This property is located close to the Whitefield Sarjapur main road. It boasts of some of the prestigious schools located in the area, which is the International School Bangalore and the Greenwood High. And this property is closely connected to an upcoming metro station, which is just 10 to 15 minutes away from the place. And it also has a close connection with some of the top MNCs located in Bangalore, like the Wipro office, etc. Also, for your entertainment, we have the Forum Nexus Mall, which is located very close to the property, which is at a distance of about 10 to 15 minutes away from the property. I would like to welcome you to the 4 BHK model flat of Brigade Sanctuary. As you can see here, it has a super built-up area of 2,491 square feet. And now I'd like to welcome you to the 4 BHK flat. As you can see, the foyer area here itself is quite spacious. It gives you a nice warm welcome with these beautiful vitrified tiles. And as I walk in here, you can see the living area, which opens up to a nice spacious balcony. As you can see here, the balcony is a perfect place for you and your family to sit and enjoy your evening chai. Isn't it lovely? I also love the view from here. And this balcony also extends to the master bedroom. As you can see, this is lovely. And this living area itself is so spacious and huge. And now I'd like you to see the dining area. This dining area can easily accommodate a 6-seater huge dining table. We don't usually get to experience that kind of space here in most of the flats that are available. And now this opens up to the kitchen area, which is also quite spacious. This space is enough for you to accommodate all your utensils and kitchen crockery items, etc. It has so many inbuilt cupboards here. This definitely gives you a lot of space, doesn't it? And now I would like to show you the sink area. Here you can modify it, include your marble top or granite top, whatever you like, or whatever sink that you want to accommodate, and it has enough storage spaces with these beautiful cupboards. This opens up to a utility area where you can easily tuck away your washing machine, dishwasher, and you're still left with some more space here. And this area also opens up to the maid room, as you can see. And this is enough to accommodate your stuff. It also has an attached bathroom. And it opens up to this outside area here. Come, now let's take a look at the first bedroom. It's actually taking me quite a while to walk into the bedroom. This place, like I mentioned, is quite huge. This is the first bedroom. As you can see, it has a cute little bed here. It has enough storage space to accommodate your kids' toys, books, clothes, whatever it is. And it has a nice view outside with these beautifully constructed French windows that gives an enough light in the room. So this is not a dingy room. It's quite spacious, well lit, and the perfect room for your child. This also has a study area here with a nice long study table, and has enough storage space to store their books, toys, or whatever you want to add in here. This also, now I'd like to introduce you to the common bathroom area with vitrified tiles and high-end fittings. Even though it's a common bathroom area, this area is actually quite spacious. And now with this big corridor here, I would like to show you to the second bedroom. This bedroom can easily accommodate a queen size bed. It has enough storage space, as you can see, and a beautiful view outside with these beautifully constructed French windows. This room is well lit and is a perfect room which can be used as a guest bedroom as well. I personally love this room. And you have an attached bathroom to this room with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. It's still quite spacious, right? Now I would like to take you to the third bedroom. This third bedroom already opens up to a large space. It is quite spacious. It can accommodate a queen size bed and enough storage space for all your cupboards here. Even though, you know, this flat has so many bedrooms, it gives you enough space to actually have a well ventilated, very airy rooms. I personally love this. And you can see the balcony area outside. It's quite spacious for you and your family to sit and enjoy your quiet family time. And you can see here we have a nice space here to accommodate your study table, which is quite long, and you can also add in a few cupboards here to accommodate all your stuff. This space is really beautiful. It also has an attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now I'm going to take you through to a tour of our master bedroom. As you can see, it has a nice long corridor and it's going to take me quite a while to even reach till the master bedroom. But before I give you more details about the master bedroom, let me tell you a little about Housey. Housey is a platform that will give you your location tour as well as your model flat tour. It will also explain to you about the pros and cons of the property. It will give you a 360-degree virtual tour of the entire property, and it will also give you EMI and down payment options. Now, are you ready to see the master bedroom? Come, let's have a look at it. Oh, this master bedroom is actually quite spacious. It can accommodate a queen size bed. It has enough space in the outdoor balcony area. Would you like to have a look at it? Like I mentioned earlier, this outdoor balcony area connects to your living room balcony as well. This is a perfect spot for you to enjoy your quiet evenings. You have enough space here to accommodate all your belongings with these nicely done up cupboards. You can also see a nice study table area here. You can add a number of shelves you want to accommodate your books and other things that you need along with your study table. This has enough carpet space and area. And one more added feature of this is the walk-in closet that you have here, which is quite spacious and quite needed people who actually share the room. The husband and wife are not going to fight for the closet space. And this place also has an attached bathroom, as you can see, with nice anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. I'm definitely sure that you love this property, and to know more details about the property, click on the link below and download the e-brochure. And you can also get a free site visit of this property by registering with us at housey.com. And if you've liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to see more such videos from housey.com. Until then, I'll be back again with the next video to show you more such beautiful properties. See you. Bye-bye.
Queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.